boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you. You want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept.
Ignition sequence start.
One we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.
Searching for the answers like Galileo through his looking glass. That's the reason our dreamer's eyes we gaze into a sense of purpose, known by view. Like finding water on the moon.
After launching it, it kind of went very odd shape, not really what I meant, but the parachute didn't release anyway, so that's something you can work on. But that's how it landed. Well stuck into the ground now. Careful taking it out. Ground is very soft. Oh.
It's true, I crave you. It's true, I crave you.
Okay, this is my second try at this now. So I'm gonna see if there's any improvement, see if the parachute comes out. I might have had too much wadding on, or I'm not sure if I stuck the engine in far enough. So we'll see how this one goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like the parachute didn't come out, so this is what we have. Hopefully the capsule is on the top. There we go, buried right into the ground. A bit tricky to get out. God, I have to figure out why the parachute didn't come out. So there, first day of launching the rocket.